everybody. Welcome to Vibe Light. Today we have with us the splendid, shining, graceful dancer who is also a student of journalism honor, Shubhangi Prasad. Hi Shubhangi, how are you?
Hello, thank you so much. I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing very well. Are you excited for this chat?
Very excited.
Well, I'm excited too. So let us get started. So your
Sure.
artwork is dance, right?
It's dance, and I've just started. I do actually a lot of things. I dance. I am a photographer. I do street theater, and
Wow.
I just started doing illustrations too.
Wow, that is really nice. So I wanted to ask you, why did you particularly choose the art form dance and when did you start dancing?
I think I started dancing when I was 2 or 3 years old. I'm not so sure, but I think that's just one thing just happened with flow. I didn't think that this is what I want to do, but it just happened with the flow, and it just happened.
That is really nice. So, what are some of the inspirations behind your choreographies?
I think I don't have like a specific one person who is my inspiration. There are a lot of people who inspire me. There are a lot of amazing, talented dancers out there. But one thing that like makes me dance or makes me push forward to do these choreographies or just in general is it's a way of expression and it makes me happy.
Yeah.
And like one of the main things, I mean, I'm a Bollywood dancer, you could say, or like a freestyle dancer. That's because I love playing with my expressions, and that I
Um,
feel that that's one of my what do you say, USP, or like you can say my power part. So I just feel that like there's a lot of talent out there, and watching every single person, there's one or two things that you get inspired by.
yes.
But I'm sure there's like too many people to like even start naming now.
Well, being a dancer myself, I can totally relate to it.
And you are a great dancer, I must say.
Oh,
I
thank
did
you.
see
Thank
a
you
few of
so
your
much.
videos.
Thank you. So, have you learned to dance professionally?
Not like I haven't gone to like institutions or like had a subject as dance,
Yeah.
but I did learn 1 or 2 months in one company, 1 or 2 months in another company or something like that. But I could say I'm a self-trained dancer because I haven't been a part of like one institution
Yeah.
for a long time, or I haven't like learned dance professionally. But I would say I'm a self-trained dancer.
Well, I really love your dances. They're really beautiful.
Thank you so much.
So, now who are you inspired by?
Um, as I said before, I don't have one particular inspiration. There are a lot of people, but I think Bollywood is one way that I feel that gives me a boost. I
Yeah.
mean, I'm not talking about the item numbers and how people have started to, what do you say, objectify women and all of that. No ways, I'm
Yes.
completely against it. But
Same here.
I think the grace that Madhuri Dixit has, sorry,
Yes.
Madhuri Dixit ji has, and like just in general, a lot of budding artists nowadays, like for
Yes.
example, you see companies like Team Nach, or you see other
Yes,
companies
Team
like
Na.
yes, Team Nach, and then there's the Bomb Squad. Then there's a
Yeah.
dancer called Chinmay, who goes by the name the
Yeah.
Wardrobe Engineer,
What?
and there's a dancer called Shazeb, who these are people whom I really vibe with, and
Yeah.
I've gone to a few workshops of them. Oh, workshops is something that helps a lot. I mean, a lot of
Yes,
people say that
definitely.
workshops aren't a good thing. They don't give training. They just go dance. But I think
Yeah.
that's what matters. Within 2 hours, if you're able to learn a particular set and be happy there, nothing's better than that.
Yes,
So I think
absolutely.
just budding people around me or on the internet inspire me.
Yeah. Well, absolutely. They are very great choreographers and dancers. I really love the dances too.
Right.
So, what are some of your fondest memories of dance?
I think it's a very hazy memory, but I do remember my first ever dance on the stage. I think it was back in LKG or UKG. I was in a school here in Bangalore itself,
Yes.
and I did my first performance. I exactly remember the whole choreography, and it was on Dhadak Dhadak from Bunty or Bubbly, and that was my
Oh,
favorite movie. And that's one memory that can't get out of my head no matter what, because that was my first ever stage performance, and I was appreciated a lot by everyone around. So that's one fondest memory. And otherwise, whenever I get time or an opportunity in college for doing fests and all of that, that's just one way that I can just, with the college hustle bustle, I can
Yeah.
have a little bit of my dance way out.
Well, that is really nice. That is really nice. So, what does dance mean to you?
Ah, that's a difficult question. Um, Dance is not just a way of expression. I mean, everyone says that it's a way of
Yeah.
expression, but personally, I feel that going, like, a lot of people go to like clubs or pubs and all of that to
Yes.
drink, to have fun with the friends. I don't need anything of that. I just need a dance floor. I need music and I need people to vibe around. That's it. Like, कहीं पे भी हो, बारात में हो, be it a
Definitely.
Ganpati dance,
Definitely, I
anything.
agree
I
to
just,
that.
exactly, like, I just need that one person randomly out of the blue in the corner who's dancing. And I'm like, okay, you're gonna dance with me.
We're
So
gonna dance
I
right now. Like, you can totally vibe on that.
exactly. So I think that's where I feel that dance is something that helps me be happy, or even when I'm sad or like a little low. Music is something that helps a lot. Even if I'm not like dancing out loud, even if I'm just expressing with my hands or my face, it's more than
Yes.
enough for me to give satisfaction.
Definitely, I agree with you. Even I feel the same way. Like, to dance is just
Yeah,
being like happy and forgetting all about the bodies and all.
exactly. And then when people say that, oh, it's time up, we have to leave, I can't leave. I
Definitely.
just can't leave a dance floor like that. It's very
Definitely.
difficult.
So,
But
what is the one thing you'd like to say to all of our artists out there?
one thing I'd like to say is that, see, I know, I mean, in this particular time, it's very difficult to keep
Yeah,
your mental space very right. And but you know what? This is actually a great time and an opportunity for all artists
exactly.
to explore new things. I mean, I never knew that I would start making illustrations. I suck at drawing. I do not know how to draw physically on hand. But illustrations is something that really helped me. I mean, I'm not like a professional in all of that. I've just started. It's very basic. And I just feel that exploring new things really helps a lot.
Yes.
And you should always be accepting of the fact that there could be another art form that could help you out. I mean,
Yes.
it's always nice to be open for exploring things out.
Definitely, definitely. And I saw some of your illustrations. They were really, really amazing.
Thank you so much.
And last but not least, what do you think about the white platform?
Oh, okay. This is a beautiful space. I mean,
Thank you.
I've seen so many people like shining out here. I mean, there are so many, like, obviously there are so many people who have so many different art forms. Why am I saying so many times? I'm sorry. But like, this platform is great for budding artists, and it gives a lot of exposure. And maybe, as I'm a person who likes maybe dance or something, so if I see someone else's video or I see someone else's artwork, I get inspired to do better or to strive more. And what a talented human being are you! You are so
Thank you.
talented.
Thank you.
Trust me, it feels so like, I feel so happy and privileged that I'm getting to do this with you. And the
Oh,
fact that,
thank you. I'm grateful
no,
that you are here.
no, I mean, I've been trying to think myself that there should be a platform where budding artists should get their opportunities and all of that. And you yourself are so young and you have brought this
Thank you.
out, and it's so beautiful.
Thank
I just feel that a lot more people are getting a lot more platforms and space like this, the way you have created, which is going to help a lot of people.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Shubhangi. Your words mean a lot to me, and you are an amazing dancer and an illustrator, and you are like the perfect in all of your other passions.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And as we come to an end to the Vibe Light chat, thank you so much, Shubhangi, for coming onto this episode. We really had fun talking with you and learning more about your artwork and more about you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And thank you, everybody, for tuning in. Be tuned for more. Until then, do follow the Vibe page on Instagram and Facebook, and do subscribe to the Vibe YouTube channel. Until then, do keep vibing. You too, Shubhangi. You also do keep vibing.
You too.
Thank you. Bye.